Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare soursop. Soursop is a fruit popularly known in the Caribbean for its diverse flavors and uses. A lot of people use this for medical purposes and cooking purposes. Now, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare soursop juice. Yeah, man, So to describe the flavor of soursop to those who have never tried it before, a lot would argue that it's a combination between strawberries and pineapples thereabout. Forward, show you what I'm going. So the first thing we're going to do, we have our soursop washed already. So don't worry about these spikes because they're harmless, right? So the first thing you want to do, you want to peel it. So you can get a knife. And it comes off really easy because it's soft, right? It's like a pineapple, but with the texture of a strawberry. Very ripe, so you know this is going to be nice and sweet. Try not to get off too much. So as I said before, wash it nice and clean. So you can peel it one of two ways, with your knife or by hand. That's if it's extremely soft like mine is. Just comes off so easily. There you have it. It's all peeled and ready to go. You can just break this in two. As I said, it's real soft and that's the texture of it. Once you break it open, you find the stem in the middle and you just pull that right out. And there are the seeds. You can plant this back to get your very own soursop tree. Just gonna break that up into bits. The beauty with soursop is all if light gone, you can have the best soursop juice because it does not require a blender. It's strictly with the hand and a whisk. Here I have my mixing bowl, my colander, and my sieve. We're going to use our hands to extract all that juice from it. So now we got majority of the juice out of these. Put that aside, and we're going to continue this process until all the soursop is juiced. Look at that, nice and smooth. That's a natural soursop juice. Now to get even more out of the soursop, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to rinse that off. So this is with 2 cups of water. Scrape the seeds and the pods right in there. Ensure when you're doing this method your hands are very clean. We're going to juice this. Then we're going to strain. And there, that's what we have left of it. We dry everything out of that. For this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to have it 2 ways. Because a lot of people out there are lactose intolerant. Don't worry, I got you! So it's going to whisk that to incorporate everything, right? Because remember we used water to juice the final aspect of it. I'm going to show you to do the lactose free one first. I have 2 cups juice soursop here, 2 cups juice soursop there. Put this aside for now. I'm going to go in with my lime juice, 1/4 cup of sugar. And why granulated sugar? Because we don't want to change the color of the soursop. So that's done. I'm going to put that aside and do the one with the milk. Here I have 2 cups of the soursop juice. The recipe calls for supplicant, but if you cannot find it, because right now the punches out, so everybody bought the supplicants off the shelf. We're going to use Nutriment. Then I'm going to go in with some condensed milk. To that I'm going to add some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, just a touch of sea salt. I'm going to go in with 1/4 cup of white Jamaica overproof rum. Now we're just going to whisk that out until all the ingredients combine. And there it is. Now we're going to do the comparison of both versions. And there you have it. Soursop juice made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our weekly posting. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself. The milk version. Over here we have the lactose free version.
Yeah, me see you another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.